because I believe in artists.
And my role with Trace is a researcher, writer, facilitator.
These are Trace documentaries, pretty much taking people into a deep dive into history. I'm a filmmaker, I'm a producer, so my mission is to tell stories, a lot of African stories to, the mainstream media, so people get to know who we are.
Maya.
Francesco.
Tamara.
Marco.
My name is Rosemary Sadlier. I'm the champion of February's Black History Month and August 1st is Emancipation Day, as well as I've seen the commemoration of many other historic people, places, and events in this country.
Yeah, I'm the founding CEO of the Black Business Initiative. Thanks, man.
Level of equity, then it's important to know each other.
Everybody has to get together